Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix high RAM memory uses by Google Chrome browser and make your Google Chrome faster. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix this issue, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, click on settings. Now click on performance and enable memory saver. When on, Chrome free up memory from inactive tabs. Now click here to turn on memory saver and then click on system. You will find first option, continue running background app when Google Chrome is closed. Just turn it off. It will save memory and then use harder acceleration when available. Just turn it on. Now relaunch Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.